Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to all my pupils. So today, we are going to do some vocabulary exercises. Okay, so these exercises, are in Google Form. So after this, after watching this video clip, can you just attempt, the Google Forms that I have transferred or uploaded to Google Classroom. So before you attempt, the Google Form exercises, I need to explain to you a little bit of the exercises given. So without further ado, I want you to turn to page 1 to 4 of your textbook. So we go straight to task 3. Okay. The words in bold are in the wrong places. Perkataan berhuruf tebal berada di tempat yang salah. Write them in the correct places or replace the wrong words with the right ones. Okay. Maksudnya perkataan yang berhuruf tebal itu berada di tempat di dalam ayat yang salah. Gantikan perkataan berhuruf tebal itu dengan perkataan yang betul. Let's do number 1 together. The mother tongue of Canada is Ottawa. Mother tongue means bahasa ibunda. So you need to replace the word mother tongue with other words in bold. Okay, in the exercise. Bahasa ibunda Kanada ialah Ottawa, but most people think it's Toronto. Tapi ramai orang fikir ia adalah Toronto. So you need to replace mother tongue with mother tongue, the words mother tongue with other words, other bold words there. So what do you think the answer is? And I think the answer is capital city. Okay, number 5. You take the words capital city and you replace mother tongue with capital city in your Google Forms later. So that is the trick of doing this exercise. You need to replace the words in bold with the correct ones. And the answers are within the exercise only. Jawapannya berada di dalam latihan itu juga. You don't have to think. You just look at the other bold words there. Clear? Number 4, exercise number 4. Complete the word groups with this word. Maksudnya lengkapkan kumpulan perkataan dengan perkataan pilihan perkataan yang diberikan di dalam petak oren. So number 1, this is a word group in dalam kumpulan perkataan. One of them is missing and you can fill in the blanks with the missing words from the options given from the orange box up there. Number 1, custom, adat, istiadat, custom, tradition, tradisi. So the missing word in this group is, what do you think? The answer is practice, amalan, practice. So the three words, custom, tradition and practice, they belong to the same group. Mereka ni berada dalam kumpulan yang sama. Custom, tradition and practice, amalan. So you answer questions 2 to 6. Got it. From page 124, we skip one page and we go straight to vocabulary practice 2 on page 1 to 6. Let's take a look at question or task 1. Collocations and expression. Match the statements with the responses to form dialogue. Maksudnya padankan ayat di sebelah kiri dengan jawapan di sebelah kanan untuk membentuk satu dialog. Pay particular attention to the words in bold. Sila beri perhatian kepada perkataan yang berhuruf tebal. Can you work out what they mean? Adakah kamu boleh faham apa yang mereka maksudkan? Let's try number 1 first. Thomas' new building is a masterpiece. Bangunan baru yang dicipta, direka oleh Thomas adalah satu masterpiece means benda yang hebat, sesuatu yang hebat. Okay, he has got the world at his feet. Dia telah berjaya menguasai dunia. Dia jadi termasyhur. Dia jadi terkenal. Okay, kerana ciptaannya ini. So, what do you think the reply, the response to question number 1? Okay, the answer here is F, number 1. Okay, the response to question number 1 is F. I know. They say he's the best architect in Europe. Saya tahu. Mereka mengatakan bahawa dia adalah arkitek yang paling bagus di Eropah. Okay, so for the questions in the left column, you have to match it. You have to match them with the answers in the right column. Okay, clear? Okay, number 1, the answer is F. Okay, you answer the rest of the exercise. Okay, next one, part 2, word formation, pembentukan ayat. So here there are 4 parts of speech: verb, noun and adjective. Kata kerja, kata nama dan kata sifat. So you need to fill in the missing parts of speech. We do number 1 together. Civilize. Bertamadun, ketamadunan. Verb. Okay, civilize, tamadun. Okay, the adjective is civilized, bertamadun. The noun is civilization, tamadun. You learn tamadun, civilization in your history, right? Tamadun Mesir, okay, Mesopotamia, okay, and so on dan sebagainya. Okay, next one, number 2, have nation. Nation means negara. Geography, you know geography. Locate, menempatkan. Custom, adat istiadat. Exist, wujud. Nah, so please find the answer in your dictionary. Okay, you need to get some help from your dictionary or Google search form. Okay, next one, number 3. Now complete the sentences with some of the words from 2. After you have filling the table with the words, with the answers, then you have to fill in the blanks in task 3 with some of the words from task 2, okay, that you have done. Okay, number 1, I'll give you one example. The ancient Greek. Ancient means tua, lama. Okay, tamadun Greek lama. Okay, the answer is civilization. The ancient Greek civilization, civilization, civilization. The ancient Greek civilization dates back to the 8th century. Tamadun Greek ni bermula sejak 8 abad, 8 kurun sebelum Masihi. And it lasted until around 600 AD, sehingga tahun 600 Masihi. So old, terlalu lama. Okay? And number 4, preposition. Complete the sentences with in, of, with, to, or for. Isikan tempat kosong dengan preposition, kata sendi, in, of, with, to, for. Okay. Or here, atau tu tidak termasuk. So, I hope you will answer all these vocabulary exercises. Okay, till then, have a nice day and goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.